Where do you want it? Here, maybe we should do the mock-up first.
Yeah, I was doing that. Oh, you can't get the living room though. Sit. Yeah.
Oh, I can put the video of Carter breaking through the gate.
Carter's tiny homestead.
Mr. Carter. Come on, Mr. Carter. A wash. Where do I hammer it at?
On the corners, the four corners.
No, that.
Oh, place it on the wall.
Are you recording?
You can just do what you do. No, down. It's gonna be like right there, and then over a little bit. Yeah, and then plus this is gonna be make it even with the wall. This would be good for that stopper thing too that we use for the fence, the gate.
Oh yeah, it'll give it more a little bit of.
And it will stop messing up the wall.
Oh yeah, that too.
So we got one there, and then we're gonna put one on this side, and we'll have to probably trim this one. Oh, I got all this stuff in my hand. The camera. Okay. So we got the gist of what we're doing.
I think so.
All right. So I'm gonna start filming then.
Yeah, we're ready. Oh yeah, look how much you have to trim off. Or it could overlap. Then you only need to use one hole.
All right, then you don't have to. Oh, what do you mean? So you don't have to.
So then we'll just have one hole here, one hole there. Well, it'll be 6 holes instead of 8.
Oh, that's true. Okay.
Or would that be too raised up for the things to adhere down to?
Maybe you might. Well, but you're right. Then we wouldn't have to make all those holes.
We're recording that. This is all.
Yeah, I'm recording it.
Oh. Oh, okay, yeah. So I'm thinking. Well, what if we tape these together?
Oh, we could tape them.
And then.
Hey, why don't we tape those together?
Yeah, let's tape them together, and then we'll still only use 4 holes.
Okay, but
Wait.
Nope. I think we should tape them together.
But then we still need to put one hole here because otherwise it'll fall off.
I still think we should tape them together and then nail them up there.
And then use one more nail.
Even if we have to use 4 nails, I mean, who cares if we have to use all those nails?
Well, you don't want all those holes.
Well, we got that nice putty stuff that dries white.
Oh, that's right. Okay.
And plus, it's going to be covered because we're going to use this. What are we doing anyways? Why are we making this?
Oh!
Go against that wall right there. The white wall. Right here. Right here. Okay, right there. Yeah.
So today we're redesigning the dining area, and we decided to include the mid-walk from the living room. The mid-walk from the living room into the dining room kitchen. We are building a backsplash for the trash can, as well as a utility command center for the broom, some trash bags, the mail, as well as keys and other miscellaneous items that are handy in a quick reach and grab and go. No, oh, should we tape it? We should tape them together.
Okay.
I'm gonna do it. We ain't taping nothing. Wait, there's a thing there.
Ha! Ha!
I think it's going straight into drywall.
That's okay because the baby gate's gonna be across it, holding it on. All right.
Scissors.
Now you just need the scissors,
Oh, I'll use this.
or a nice little putty saw thing.
Mom!
That's why you should have used the scissors. We just cut that thing. Every time I have an idea, it works out. You just have to follow through. However led you astray.
Dang it.
We have trim for that. Just keep on cutting. Don't just cut off the snags on the end. All right, now. Oh, we need space for our edging stuff.
Oh.
So if I'm going to put this edging stuff on it, then I probably want to put this. Why is it crooked? Because I think this edging stick thing is looking crooked.
Mom. One? Wait a minute.
What?
You only get one?
Yes! What does that mean?
They're $1 a square foot?
Well, that's cheaper than the store. You know how much those are in the store? Come on, it's gonna work.
Mom, your line isn't even.
Well, I don't even have my glasses on. Good thing we got this border stuff that you gotta use to fix it. You're trying to act like you can't do stuff. When this is cute, then you'll be like, oh, why didn't I listen to my mother? To mi madre.
Wait, which way do you put it?
Oh, you match it to the other one. See how the other one?
What?
No, it probably no crazy. It probably goes like this. No,
Put it on
wait.
top?
No, this is the bottom because look at the gray line is at the bottom.
Wait.
Bam! Now remember, this is going to be hidden by a trash can and everything else. It's going to be cute. David.
Stay tuned for the final reveal.
whatever you got. Oh, that's a piece of that ball. You don't need that. How you tear up Hazen's ball? Well, it seems like it needs to stick out further. Turned out to be quite a feat.
Out. Move it, I can't. Hold on, I'm recording. Entryway.